Hello, doctor and classmates. We are from LAX2011 group 42. And today is our video discussion 4, which is about exchange ideas. And today our theme is Love Our Planet. So let's first talk about the storyline. And anyone have any ideas about the storyline about the Love Our Planet?
We should introduce ourselves first. So next, let me introduce myself first. So my name is Chuan Wu and my matrix number is 197943. Next.
Hi, I'm Xia Shuwen and my matrix number is 198030.
Hi, I'm Lee Sosin. My matrix number is 196230.
Hi, my name is Monica Parr and my matrix number is 206939.
Hi, my name is Ki Soon Win and my matrix number is 195901.
Hello, my name is Xiaohao and my matrix number is 204659. So let me just be the first one. What's your guess? Like water pollution or air pollution or something? Is that okay? Or we like love our planet. Also, we can love maybe the white animals or something. Do you guys have any idea?
So
let me share my idea first. Okay.
Yeah, go.
My idea is like first box is like the Earth, then the Earth is like a sick face. Then he introduced her the Earth that say like, "Hi, I'm Earth and I'm very sick now." Then for the next few box, then we talk about the like our humans like do what affect the Earth sick, like they throw the rubbish everywhere, then pour the toxic water inside the river or that, and then the next box like the factory emit many like toxic air to the environment. Then for the last two box, then the Earth like say, "I hope everyone will love me." Then like the picture like we all humans like clean the place, then protect the Earth, like that. Then last box, then we can say, so I will become the healthy Earth, then not the sick Earth. Then a happy face, like that. Can get it? Can get it?
Yes, we can get it.
Yeah. So it's like all talk about the Earth and what we do to the Earth, like that only lah. Then last is like the Earth become very happy and no sick already. Yes, that's my idea lah. So next.
Next one.
I share my own idea first lah, okay? So my idea is like a scene where a father is talking to his son or daughter, to his children, but the story is like the father is sitting on the ground talking to his son, but the most important thing is that they are all wearing a mask, like wearing those chemical masks with goggles and masks, all those, talking to his son, like telling about the story his father lived before, like before the pollution got so worse that the earth became so terrible lah. So we can put the father and son in a box like that. Then the background is like a wasteland or a land that has no trees and very hot, no grass. So it's like a dead wasteland like that. So the father is like telling his son the story of his childhood where there's still trees and grass, where the environment is good, but then human activities destroy it until they cannot repair it. So yeah, it's like a reminder or a moral value story to teach people the importance of environment before it's too late. That's my idea. Next.
Okay, then I'll share my idea now. My idea is quite similar to Suzin's one, but then mine is okay. Two friends is walking in a park, and then there's a long path inside every park, right? So maybe the first box they are just walking through the park, and then the second, third, and fourth, and the fifth one, all the box we can draw like they met people throwing rubbish. Second one is people burning rubbish, any sorts of activity people will do to harm our earth. And then the two people will go forward, go towards the people that's harming the earth to explain to them that they shouldn't do this so that we can protect our earth. Okay, that's my idea.
Okay, and as for me, I'm thinking of a mom and a child talking about coronavirus, and they're like talking how dangerous coronavirus is and how it kills people, and they are sharing ways to stay safe and stay hygiene.
Okay, for me, a group of people are traveling to the island. They were so excited and they used the boat to go to the island. But then they are eating in the boat, and they're throwing rubbish like plastic bag in the sea. And then the plastic bag will harm the environment, not only the environment but the sea creatures like the turtle, tortoise, like that. They thought it was a jellyfish. Then the turtle might eat the plastic bag and die. Yeah, that's for me.
What about
Ideas about the storyline? For me, about the water pollution, you think is it possible to talk about the water pollution about the save our planet? I mean, is it connecting? They're connected. Just talk about the water pollution, because I think water is the most important resources in the planet, in our planet. So maybe the first page we can put the family is cooking. The second, we can compare, which is two family. One family, they clear the water. Third page, after those two families, those water was put in the lake or rivers, and the last page, the river get pollution. The first page didn't get pollution. The second get the pollution and become very dirty and something. Is that okay? I mean, is that possible? Because I'm not so sure.
It's
You
okay.
guys get me?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, later we like what who want one whose storyline.
Okay. So let's just choose one story and then start to divide the work.
So discuss first lah. Discuss which story that we want. Maybe vote.
The first, okay. So do you guys can remember all story from concluded?
I think maybe all of us say a simple one, like remind everybody. Like, let me start lah. My story is about father and son talk in a wasteland talking about the past of the earth.
For my story, it's about the earth. The character is earth. The earth. Then he think about like how the humans damage the earth. Then he feels sick. Then he hope everyone protect him and protect the earth. Then he will become a healthy and happy earth again.
My story is about two friends working in the park and then witness many activity that will harm the earth.
My story is about coronavirus and how to stay safe and hygiene.
Okay, my story is about water pollution by travelers or a tourist.
Okay, my story is also about water pollution, and I give the comparison. So let's we can vote, or just anyone have more ideas?
I have a question. How many times we get to vote? 2?
Yeah, I think 2 is better.
1 people 2 times.
Yes.
So,
everyone still have any ideas? If no, then we proceed to vote.
I think let's proceed to vote lah.
Okay.
So
Okay, yeah, just let's from who?
vote lah. Now vote. Okay, so my story got 1. Then next. So the next one is Susan's Earth or view towards human activities toward himself. So who vote for Susan's story?
I vote for myself.
Monica, you vote lah. So Susan got 2. And then next is Shuan's story, which is 2 person in a pub looking at people doing harmful activities to the environment. Okay, so that's only 1 vote. Next is Monica's the effects of coronavirus and people have to stay healthy and stay hygiene. Okay, so 1 vote. Next is Sunwin's a boat of travelers traveling to an island, and then they eat at the boat, throwing trash and dump into the ocean and the sea, harming the sea creatures. Okay, so total of 3 votes. So next is Haoyan's story, which is a comparison between water pollution comparison between 2 families. Any votes? Hao-Yan, you're not gonna vote for yourself.
Myself, of
Okay.
course, myself.
Okay. So I repeat again. So my story gets 1 vote. Shuwen's also 1 vote. Susan also 1 vote. And then Monica also 1 vote. So Suwin's story has 3 votes. So we continue and proceed with Suwin's story. Anybody has any
Okay.
question? Okay.
No.
No. Okay, so we don't have any objection. Then we continue with Sunwin's story. So Sunwin, we have done with the storyline. How about the plot and dialogue? Like how many characters do you imagine in your story actually?
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. The character travelers, then the plastic bag itself, then the turtle. Only 3 characters here.
Okay, so the plot is just like a group of travelers traveling to an island and then throwing dump into the ocean.
Yes, correct.
So what do you guys think the group of travelers, how many person do you think we need?
Any ideas from you guys?
I think 3 to 4 persons will be enough because we are using A4 paper and then we cannot draw too many people inside one box, right?
Yeah, agree.
So roughly is 4 people in a boat towards an island. So the character will be people and turtles. Maybe we can add
In
more
the plastic bag.
in the plastic bag. Maybe not just plastic.
Yeah.
Maybe we can add more kind of trash. Maybe those food containers or those
Bottles.
water bottles.
Yeah.
Then animals, maybe turtles. Yeah, turtles maybe add there's a scene where the trash fall on the corals. Those making the sea floor very dirty. My suggestion, maybe you guys have other idea?
I have one question. Will the turtle have its own dialogue? You guys get me? Meaning when
just now Sumei say the turtle will think that trash plastic bags is like
A
the
jellyfish.
So we can say like then the turtle can think, wow, there's a jellyfish. Then I go to eat. Yeah, but that's that is the plastic bag.
Maybe not a dialogue. Maybe the cloud bubble, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think okay.
Done? Or any more information or ideas? Go ahead.
Sumi, your idea, okay, it's like this. Do you have any more want to add? Or Monica?
So, how many?
So we need text box Sam.
Okay, let me see.
I think we can do 6 to 8 box like last time.
Okay, let me briefing roughly first. Like for the first box is the boat, maybe the cruise and the people. The second one is throwing the plastic bag jumping inside the river, the sea. Third one, the bubble cloud, like Shuwen said just now. The turtle said, oh, finally the food is coming. Then the next box is maybe the turtle choke to die. How about fifth box? What do you guys think?
Sorry, can you repeat? Fourth box is what?
The turtle eat the plastic bag and die.
Okay.
How about fifth box? Any ideas?
I think the third box is the turtle saw the jellyfish lah. And then third box is see saw the plastic. Fourth is eat, and then fifth is die. And then sixth maybe ending, and then so say the moral values why shouldn't throw. Like that.
It's a good idea.
Just suggest maybe better.
I agree with this idea.
I agree.
So everyone okay, right?
Yeah.
We need to conclude.
So let me conclude or okay. So today we have talked about the storylines and more details about the story, which is about 4 persons and 6 to 8 plots. And next video we will discuss about how to divide the works. So that's all for our today's discussion. Thanks.
Maybe we can close the whole story.
Sorry?
Maybe we can say
You can just explain the whole story or something.
yeah, maybe say the whole story again in case we forgot.
Yeah, you can just show us the whole story.
Okay. Yeah. I see. So the story will be a group of tourists on a boat or a ship towards an island, and they were eating food. And then the plastic bag fell into the sea and the ocean. And then a turtle saw it, thought it as a food, and eat the plastic bag. And then the turtle choked to death. With the final story ending with a moral value or lesson telling why we shouldn't throw the plastic into the sea. So that will be our storyline. No? So I think that's all. So Hao-Yan, can you conclude? Oh, sorry.
I shall already conclude. So that's all for the storyline and also the details about the story. And next time we will discuss about how to divide the work. That's all for today's discussion. Thanks.
Thank you. See you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Bye.
Bye.